Today, let's learn some sounds and letters which we have learned earlier. Come on, let's start. This is letter A. A is for apple, ant, ambulance. The sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. A says A apple, A ant, A ambulance. Here is the letter B. B is for butterfly, ball, bee, balloons. The sound of B is B. The sound of B is B. B says B, butterfly, B, B, ball, B, bee, B, B, balloons. This is letter C. C is for candles, carrot, cake. The sound of C is K. The sound of C is K. K says K, K, candles, K, K, carrot, K, K, cake. Here is the letter D. D is for dog, drum, duck, dolphin. The sound of D is D. The sound of D is D. D says D, D, dog, D, D, drum, D, D, duck, D, D, dolphin. This is letter E. E is for elephant, egg, envelope, eggplant. The sound of E is A. The sound of E is A. A says A elephant, A egg, A envelope, A eggplant. Here is letter F. F is for fish, flower, fence, frog. The sound of F is F. The sound of F is F. F says F, F, fish, F, F, flower, F, F, fence, F, F, frog. This is letter G. G is for grapes, guitar, gift box. The sound of G is G. The sound of G is G. G says G, G, grape, G, G, guitar, G, G, gift box. Here is letter H. H is for house, hat, hippopotamus, hammer. The sound of H is H. The sound of H is H. H says H, H, house, H, H, hat, H, H, hippopotamus, H, H, hammer. This is letter I. I is for ice, island, ice cream, igloo. The sound of I is I. The sound of I is I. I says I, igloo. Igloo is a short vowel. Here is letter J. J is for jelly beans, jug, jelly, jellyfish. The sound of J is J. The sound of J is J. J says J, J, jelly beans, J, J, jug, J, J, jelly, J, J, jellyfish. This is letter K. K is for kettle, kite, keyboard. The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. says kettle, kite, keyboard. Here is letter L. L is for lion, leaf, ladybug, lamp. The sound of L is L. The sound of L is L. L says lion, leaf, ladybug, lamp. This is letter M. M is for magnet, mermaid, moon, mushroom. The sound of M is M. The sound of M is M. M says magnet, mermaid, moon, mushroom. Here is letter N. N is for nest, numbers, net. The sound of N is N. The sound of N is N. N says nest, numbers, net. This is letter O. O is for orange, owl, onion, octopus. The sound of O is O. The sound of O is O. O says O, O, orange, O, O, owl, O, O, onion, O, O, octopus. Here is letter P. P is for panda, pumpkin, pear, palette. The sound of P is P. The sound of P is P. P says P, P, panda, P, P, pumpkin, P, P, pear, P, P, palette. This is letter Q. Q is for quetzal, queen, quilt. The sound of Q is Q. The sound of Q is Q. Q says Q, Q, quetzal, Q, Q, queen, Q, Q, quilt. Here is letter R. R is for rainbow, rattle, rose, rocket. The sound of R is R. The sound of R is R. R says R, R, rainbow, R, R, rattle, R, R, rose, R, R, rocket. This is letter S. S is for sun, sandals, star, snowman. The sound of S is S. The sound of S is S. S says S, S, sun, S, S, sandals, S, S, star, S, S, snowman. Here is letter T. T is for target, tree, train. The sound of T is T. The sound of T is T. T says T, T, target, T, T, tree, T, T, train. This is letter U. U is for Umbrella, utensil, U-turn. The sound of U is A. The sound of U is A. A says A. Umbrella. Umbrella is a short vowel. Here is letter V. V is for vulture, vase, van, wine. The sound of V is W. The sound of V is W. W says W, W, vulture, W, W, vase, W, W, van, W, W, wine. This is letter W. W is for watermelon, wand, whale, window. The sound of W is W. The sound of W is W. W says W, W, watermelon, W, W, wand, W, W, whale, W, W, window. Here is letter X. X is for xylophone, Xmas, X-ray. The sound of X is X. The sound of X is X. X says X-ray, X, X, xylophone. This is letter Y. Y is for yo-yo, yacht, yarn, yogurt. The sound of Y is Y. The sound of Y is Y. Y says Y, Y, yo-yo, Y, Y, yacht, Y, Y, yarn, Y, Y, yogurt. Here is letter Z. Z is for zucchini, zigzag, zero, zipper. The sound of Z is Z. The sound of Z is Z. Z says Z, Z, zucchini, Z, Z, zigzag, Z, Z, zero, Z, Z, zipper. Hope you all have understood the letters and sounds. So let's practice this regularly. Thank you.